Well, there it is. It's installed. Yeah. It's done. For all that big scare that we had at the beginning, it wouldn't go. Remember?
It's recording. There it is.
He said, hit a key, he says.
Hit a key. Well, we was installing it, and it came up, a big blue screen, some flower on the side. It wasn't doing nothing. We waited, drank a beer, had a cigarette, waited. It didn't do nothing. We got all paranoid. We started saying, "Oh, hit some keys, hit some keys."
Hit some keys, he says.
Hit some keys. We got the setup screen. There it is. Sort of reminds me of an old Windows XP. I don't know. I just run Vista for the last year.
Oh, you can put a new desktop on.
Yeah, but I mean the old block type. I don't know. It looks different, but
down at the bottom down
there.
That don't look like XP, man.
Sort of does.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't know. It's been a year since I had XP, but it's different than Vista. It's different than Vista. There it is. There it is. Hard drive, new Windows. Simple. Couple wires. Throw a disc in. Make sure you hook the right ones up.
Oh yeah, and make sure you put your disc in, man, before you power your system down. And that's after you set your BIOS to boot from the disc first. Make sure after you set your BIOS, let your computer restart. Put your disc in, then to shut it off, then put your new hard drive in, and make sure you have your old one out too, because if you don't have your old one out, it'll install needed files onto your old hard drive, and if you try to take it out after you install Windows, then you won't be able to do it. It'll say the operating system is not available. I know, I've done it. So there it is, I guess. That's the completion of the install new hard drive and Windows 7 video.
I guess it is. It's the end of the song, too. What the hell? Look at that.
Look at that fucking mess of wires.
Mess. Oh, it'll look good when he's done with it.
Yeah, it'll look good.
Buy one with plexiglass side on it. Even folds down. Oh.
There it is, man. That's what makes you build better computers.
That should be our business symbol.
Build better business. Build better. I don't know. We have to make a B word.